So this quick tip video goes into a little bit more detail about how to arrange a class notebook, how to create new sections, distribute new sections to students, and the concept of subsections as well. Okay, so here I am in my team, and I'm going to my class notebook tab at the top to access the class notebook. Remember, you've got to click on this little arrow to get more detail here, okay? And then I'm going to click on the class notebook section to give me a bit more control over what's going on here. So, a reminder of the different areas in class notebook. You've got a collaboration space, okay? Click on that. Now, this is an area where any students can edit and any teachers can edit it. It's completely open and editable. If you want to create a new section within there, you want to make sure you select a current section within that space first and then click New Section. Give it a name. Okay, so there we go. I've created a new section within there, and you can see I've got a blank page to start me off. Alright, so maybe this is an area for a particular group of students to work collaboratively so I can see what they're up to on a particular project. Content library. Again, if I want to create a space in there, I can click New Section. Just make sure I've already selected the original section that's there. And I've got my new section, and I can create pages within that section. The content library is read-only for the students. They can right-click, copy a page, and paste it into their area, or I can distribute pages from here, although I think it's better to keep those pages probably in your teacher-only area. However, what's quite nice, the content library is a very nice place to keep key resources and extension work, so that if a student finishes what they need to be doing, you can always say, well, actually go into the content library and go to that topic, and you'll find more questions that you can have a go at. Why don't you copy those in and do the extension work? So it's a really nice area for doing that. Another nice use of the content library is if you've been making some notes yourself on OneNote during that lesson as the teacher, and then they are there for the students to copy after the lesson into their own notebooks. Now, if I want to distribute a new section to the student, let's say I'm going to move on to topic 3. Okay, so I'm going to click on a topic in my teacher area and create topic 3. Now, that's created a new section in my teacher area, but it hasn't created one for the students. When I want the students to have a new section, I need to choose this option here, distribute new section, okay, and I can do distribute new section there, click that button, give it a name. It says distributed. Let's go back here. Now, it doesn't always pop up straight away, you've got to give it a bit of time, but it will be there when you refresh it next. When you come back to it next, you will expect to see another topic that is being created there. Now, you'll also see where when I clicked on that, the idea of a section group. Okay, so I can create section groups if I need to have an extra sort of level of organization in terms of how I arrange my notebook. I can do a section group, give it a name, and create a new section within that group. So if I had a larger part of the course and I wanted to break it down like that, then I can create section groups, and that gives me a little bit more options in terms of how I organize their files, essentially their notebooks and their space. Remember, again, at the moment I'm operating completely within Teams, and you'll see that all those options are available. I can open the same notebook here within OneNote, and it does give me a few more options in here. You'll see there's topic 3 just appeared, it's synced now. I can go to the class notebook area here, and sometimes it's a little bit easier just to work within the OneNote app. Anything I do here will be reflected back in the Teams version as well.